How you doing, everyone? Thank you for tuning in. As usual, please feel free to leave any comments or recommendations of any charts in the comments down below. Thank you for the new subscribers that have been subscribing to the channel and also the subscribers that have been liking the content as well. Thank you so much. So for this video, we have AZZ Inc. On the daily time frame, daily chart. Their ticker symbol is AZZ. So with that being said, we're gonna go ahead and look into them right quick. So last week they did leave off actually touching this this $147 mark and actually going higher from there starting this new week. So this is a great indication for them basically to continue pulling up. As we can see, they have been just basically on an uptrend, which is a beautiful just indication that we can possibly see more buyers coming from there. Now, if it does end up breaking past that at the 144 level, going back up to that 147, I would like to see if they're going to actually come back down at the moment for 135. Not the moment, but at the least 135. That's it. But in this case, we are seeing more buyer momentum going towards the upside. So for that will look like something like this. See, so yeah, so right now, I mean, looking for buys going into the day tomorrow would be basically like, not tomorrow, today would be basically ideal, right? So for me, this was the first indication of it going higher, right? So now I know this looks like all choppy and stuff like that. If you haven't seen my previous videos on how I basically trade around this, go ahead and watch those. They're very educational, and there's a reason why I'm basically dropping these charts. That's it. So with this being here, right, I would like to see if it's gonna either come back and give us another entry, or if it's just gonna basically play off this bounce and continue, right? So something like that would possibly look like this, right? If I was to look for that, and then I would target that area upwards of 163, right? So boom, target this like that, right? So basically a 3RR, right? Basically 3 times our money. So that's how we would look into that way, right? So that's how I'm looking at it. Now, if you were what's the word? If you were good to catch this down at this mark, then hey, you can lock in possibly a 5, right? At this point, 4.5. So that right there is beneficial, right? But again, we're not gonna look for just random things to do, right? Because we already got that break, right? We got the retest of that level, and now basically like we would like to see more continuation once with the upside, right? To give us more of that buying opportunity. Now, for that, we would need to see a break, excuse me, a break of at least I would say at least at that 152 level, right? If we can get a break of that 152, right, and continue going up between 152, because there's some resistance here. So 152 and 154. So we can continue breaking past that 152, 154. Let's say 155. We can basically like just shoot straight up from there and target that 163. That's it. So yeah, that's basically it. I don't have much for as as they're basically making just like a good run right now. So I don't see sellers coming actually in anytime soon. So if they do, it'll be a surprise. But again, we're gonna just monitor it and see if we can get that break retest continues to the downside. But I'm more inclined to those buyers coming. So I would like to see this head higher. So with that being said, I want to say thank you to everyone who's been subscribing, everyone who's been watching, everyone who's basically sticking around to the end of the video. If you made it this far, please give like a thumbs up, smiley face, or just basically tell me where you're watching from. Like that's basically it. Yeah, go ahead. Tell me where you're watching from. And I'll give you a shout out at the same time as well. So on the next video. So thank you so much and have a great rest of your week. A blessed rest of your week, by the way, and have a good one.